We're going to be taking a look at how you can fit a screen protector to your iPhone. I have had my iPhone now for a few months and I'm really worried about the screen and whether it's going to get damaged. So I thought it'd be really interesting to order one of these. Obviously this is sealed still. This is the TORRAS screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, obviously available in every other phone you can think of. I thought I would do it as a person that hasn't done this before, so you can see how easy or not easy it is to install these on an iPhone or any other phone. So yeah, I mean, the phone's completely dirty. This is completely sealed. This is my Leatherman. Let's get unboxing. So, all right, so this is the product here and let's get this unboxed. Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this yesterday because we're going away and I thought I should probably get a screen protector for my phone because I'm going to have it on a lanyard around my neck. It's going to be banging around all over the place. So let's protect the screen so it doesn't get scratched. So let's get this out of the case. Again, this is the first time I've ever done this type of thing. So let's have a little look. So you get out of the box. This is what's inside. Again, you're seeing this live. Let's just get rid of that because we don't need that over there. Okay, so this is the packaging, rid of that. So this, I'm guessing, because this contains a couple of the same sort of screen protectors, I'm guessing the second one's in here. So this is the unit itself, and let's pop that down there because having watched a few other tutorials, I've seen that this is a scraper for getting rid of the bubbles on the screen once you've applied it. So yeah, let's take that off. Let's get rid of that. Let's just pop that down there. Now let's just have a look inside this package. So yeah, there is another screen protector inside there. We're not going to use that right now, so pop that to the side. We have a wet wipe and a screen wipe there. We have a secondary kit. We have all the instructions and some other stuff that we don't really need. So let's just get rid of that. Let's also get rid of that. Now, I want to see how easy this is to install without having to look at the instructions, because surely this is a bit of a no-brainer. And this is a screen protector that has a frame. So you'll put this over the phone and then it will guide it on, hopefully, into exactly the right place. So let's give this a shot. iPhone 16 Pro Max. I have my Peak Design case on here. This has lived on here since the phone arrived, however many months ago it was when they released it. So I have it in the natural titanium. Just have a little look at that. Okay, so now the phone is out of its case. I'm going to need to clean the screen because it is really filthy. It's got fingerprints all over it. No scratches as yet from new, so that's why I wanted to get a screen protector, just to make sure that it doesn't get scratched. And let's open one of these packages up, see what's in here. Shot of that. So we have a wet wipe. We have a, what I would call a lens wipe. So a cleaning cloth there. And then we have a dust absorber and a dust sticker. So I'm guessing what we should do to start off with is just give this screen a really good clean. As I said, there's no scratches on this screen. And this is the whole purpose of getting the screen protector, is to make sure that I don't get any scratches on here. And when it comes to selling it, it's just going to have a bit more of a value because you don't have a scratch screen. So, okay, so I've cleaned the screen with that wipe. I can't see any dust on there as such. So what I'm going to do straight away is I'm not going to use the wet wipe or the dust sticker. I'm just going to go straight on with this. The phone goes into that little frame like so. So you see that? It fits perfectly in that frame because it's designed specifically for this phone itself. Let's give this a shot. So, pull. Okay, a little bit nervous. And we can see that that screen protector is now applying itself to the screen. Now, I wonder if we're going to get any bubbles. Looks like there's going to be a bubble here. And that's finishing up here. That looks nice and clean. So let's take that off. Or do we pull this? No. So I don't know what I'm doing. This is the first time I've done this. So I've probably done this completely wrong. But taking that off, I do have a massive bubble here. So I'm going to use this little scraper to just clean that bubble off. There's a little bit of dust there which is gone. There was a bubble there. That's now gone. Bubble there. That's almost gone. Let's have a look. A few more bubbles left in there. So let's see if we can get rid of those. That one's almost gone. Got a few bubbles there, which I'm guessing is dust on the screen, which I didn't see, but that's my own fault. I spent about 2 minutes trying to get the bubbles out, and now it's absolutely perfect. There are no bubbles whatsoever, and the screen protector has been fitted absolutely perfectly. Now I'm going to put it back in the Peak Design case it was in originally to see if it has any overlaps or issues with the case, and it doesn't seem to. The Apple Intelligence has come on, and I've just done a screenshot. My bad. Yeah, so let's just turn that off so you can see I already have fingerprints on this new screen protector. But yeah, that is it. I'm absolutely 100% impressed with this. To be honest, this is much better than I thought it actually would be. So I highly recommend it. Check out the TORRAS screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max and any other phone that it's available for. Having this applicator makes a world of difference, and it makes it much easier to apply rather than you having to go to a dedicated shop to get that done. So that is it for today's video. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye for now.